Want bigger arms? You need to work out your biceps, your triceps, and your forearms. Here are my favorite exercises for each of these muscle groups. For biceps, I like to do 3 sets of 12 of dumbbell curls. You guys can also do them separately if you're picking the heavier weight. Triceps are 2/3 of your arms and most important to train in order to get bigger arms. Do 3 sets of 12 of cable pushdown and make sure you guys are going with the same path as the cable. For example, when you guys are pushing it down, I don't want you to do this. Keep the elbow stationary, bring the lower arms down. As you guys can see, the cable is going downwards, not towards me. And lastly, my favorite exercise for forearms. You just put the bar over there, squat down, bring it up, roll down your wrist. I usually do 4 sets of 25 until your forearms are burning. I hope you can wash your face after these because you're not going to be able to pick up your own arms. Follow me for more advanced fitness tips.
If I had to start my fitness journey all over again, then this is how I would structure my weekly workout routine to fit in with work and school, where we follow a 5-day split where Monday is push day, covering chest, shoulders, triceps. Tuesday is pull day, focusing on back and biceps. Wednesday is our hypertrophy focused leg day, aka higher reps. Thursday is upper body day. This is where we smash chest, shoulders, triceps, biceps, and back. And then we finish on Friday with strength focused leg day. And then use your weekend to recover, but try and stay active.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की
We're smacking some shoulders. I don't know anybody who doesn't want some giant mountains on their shoulders because I do. Shirt's coming right off right away. First thing we're doing is about 3 or 4 sets of some decently heavy side raises and then just burn out some partials at the end. Just feel the muscle work. Next, we're going on to some easy bar front raises, hitting the front delt. I never used to train front delts until Hani Rambod, Sebum's coach, told me I got some small front delts. So now these are a staple, and then I hit a few standing ones right after. Absolutely dying here. Moving on to rear delts. Now, when I was a young lad, I didn't even know these things existed. You have a shoulder on your back, basically. So do not forget to do your rear delt movements like this and face pulls, 3 sets, ultimate failure, push yourself. Next, you're gonna do a shoulder press while yelling the word cheese. Obviously, you gotta be squeezing the weight as hard as possible. This is the longest rep of my life, and somehow after shaking and shivering my timbers, I got it up. I know, my face is a tomato. Finishing off the workout with some wide grip Smith machine shrugs. I do these once or twice a week. Gotta grow these bad boys. New program is live.